Hello friends, if you want to make your home look trendy and luxurious, you need to go for these wall panels. Let us start with the first one, molding. Molding was very trendy years ago, then disappeared for a while, and now it is back in style again. So molding is a must-have for your home. It is also budget-friendly and gives an amazing look. You can get molding done using a variety of materials: wood, POP, PVC, WPC, MDF or HDHMR. Basically, almost everything can be used to make moldings. The cost for molding starts from 30 to 90 rupees per running feet, depending on the material and size, and it looks extremely elegant. A great tip is to add lights along with it, wall lights in particular. Today, there are many stylish options available. Just choose a design where you can place a light in the center and moldings on the sides. This creates a stunning look within budget. Now moving on to next one of the most luxurious options, PU stone wall paneling. PU stone gives your home a very unique and premium look. It is perfect for an entrance wall but also works well in bedrooms and living rooms. So what exactly is PU stone? It is a synthetic material made from PU foam, but it looks just like natural stone. It is a bit on the costlier side. The price ranges from 190 to 350 rupees per square feet. The thicker the foam, the deeper and richer it looks. And when it comes to color, grey shades tend to look the most premium. Just remember one key point: whenever you are doing any kind of wall paneling, add lights. Whether it is cove lights, spotlights or wall sconces, lighting in and around the panel highlights its texture and makes it stand out. If PU stone is out of your budget and you want a more affordable option without much thickness or depth, you can go for stone veneer. Stone veneer is made from a real stone but cut into very thin layers. These thin sheets are applied to the wall to give a natural and raw stone finish. It costs around 70 to 100 rupees per square feet and comes in a variety of colors and textures. This too gives a beautiful effect when done on accent walls and is a great alternative for budget conscious homeowners. Next is something that is both decorative and functional: the metal and glass accent wall. If your home has a white, beige or muted theme, you can add brass, copper or frosted glass panels to create a partition or feature wall, especially near the entrance or lobby. This works well as a visual separator between spaces. Not only does this paneling add privacy, it also adds a premium, sophisticated look to your interiors. It is slightly on the expensive side. A single panel might cost you around 12,000 to 13,000 rupees. But it is definitely worth the expense for the elegance it adds. Another very popular choice is HDHMR or MDF wall paneling. Long form of HDHMR is high density high moisture resistance. It is a type of engineering wood board. In this, HDHMR or MDF boards are cut into designer shapes or grooved patterns, either on site or by CNC machines. These are then painted with PU or Duco paint, which gives them a sleek modern look. The best part is, this kind of design never goes out of style. While interior trends keep changing, this look remains timeless and evergreen. The cost is around 350 to 450 rupees per square feet. But it adds a lot of sophistication to your space. Now let us talk about one of my personal favorites, POP wall panels. We all know POP is commonly used for false ceilings. But when used on walls, it offers endless design possibilities. If your contractor or POP worker is good, you can create any design, even replicate MDF, PVC or WPC looks using POP. Just make sure there is no dampness on the wall before doing POP work. These days, modern POP designs include circular grooves, wave patterns, and molding style frames, all of which look elegant and stylish. POP panels usually cost around 100 to 220 rupees per square feet, depending on the design complexity. If you want a cheap yet classy and trendy option, then go for plain walls in pastel shades. Choose colors like olive, beige, peach, powder blue, and pair them with beautiful decor like wall art, paintings, antique frames, wall lamps, or decorative elements. Sometimes a simple painted wall with good decor looks better than expensive paneling. Now coming to one of the hottest trends, 3D wall panels. Some might say these were popular 2 to 3 years ago. But trust me, this trend is still going strong with new designs constantly being added. 3D panels can be made using PVC, MDF, Gypsum or HDHMR. The key here is depth. The thicker and more defined the grooves are, the better shadow effect they produce, which is what makes them eye-catching. You can even paint them in dual tones, metallics or matte finishes to give them a high-end designer look. These panels are perfect for TV unit backdrops, bed backs, or even foyer walls. If you are looking for a royal and plush look, try fabric wall panels. These soft touch panels create a luxurious hotel-like vibe. You can use materials like velvet, suede, quilted fabric, or even leatherite. They are especially good for cozy spaces like bedroom walls or lounges. Just remember to choose fabrics that are easy to clean and don't attract too much dust. These panels look fabulous and elevate the space instantly. For a budget-friendly but modern look, you can go for PVC wall panels. These are available as ready-made sheets, easy to install, waterproof, and come in a variety of finishes: wood texture, marble patterns, geometric designs, and more. They usually cost 80 to 200 rupees per square feet, depending on thickness and design. PVC panels are ideal for rental homes, kitchens, or spaces where you don't want to spend a lot but still want a neat, trendy look. Now let us talk about the classic and evergreen option, wooden slats. Wooden slats are long, narrow strips placed vertically or horizontally, usually with equal gaps in between. These slats can be made from solid wood, MDF, WPC, or even PVC with wood-like finishes. When you add cove lighting or warm LED lights between or behind the slats, the result is stunning. Wooden slats bring warmth and richness to your space. They work beautifully behind TV units, in hallways, or even around breakfast counters. Depending on the material and polish, the cost can range from 200 to 450 rupees per square feet. But the charm and elegance they bring are unmatched. And finally, here is one creative idea: mix and match. Try combining different elements like molding with wallpaper, wooden slats with mirrors, or fabric panels with cove lighting. These combinations give your walls a high-end designer finish while still being budget friendly. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.